select. We have 2 teams left. Nobody wants to kill. All right, we're ready to go. Fish and Strohs. Someone can kill it for 25. Should we do a $3 filler? $3 filler. 3 per. All right, Benji, you can just kill it. Perfect. 25. Thank you, Ben. Select. Everything ships in select. Take your select 4s. It'll probably be a run back. We got a Brennan Davis for the Cubbies. Lime green. It's number to 75. Tony La Russa. Scope. Peyton Paletti, White Sox. Scope, Jordan Walker for the Cardinals. Jackson Churio. Silver, Frank Viola. Got an Andre Dawson. Ooh, nice. Auto. Bad auto of Andre Dawson. Goes to the Nationals and Jeff. That is number 249. Yuri Perez White, number 149 for the kill. And Fuego of Dustin Harris. Luke Gold, silver. Barriera, silver. Vladimir Guerrero Sr., unstoppable silver. Another one for the Nationals. Al Kaline, we have a redemption. Rookie signature tricolor of Bobby Miller for the Dodgers and truck driver. Hard to focus there, but it is indeed Bobby Miller. Go ahead and write it right on there, L-A-D. Nice Dodger hit. Couple of solid autos to begin this. Willie McCovey. Forget what they call these. Willie McCovey for the Giants. I think these are kind of rare. Andy Rodriguez to 199. Silver jersey for the Pirates. Oh yeah, the color wheel. Very nice. Junior Caminero. Another white. Griff McGarry. Rookie Revolution. Kyle Manzardo. Silver of Bill Mazeroski. We have another relic. You get a ton of hits here. Wade Boggs, silver jersey. These don't want to fit in the regular sleeves. Huh? Two-box mixer 52. For what product, Mark? I'm just not sure off the top of my head what that is. Mizorowski tricolor, unnumbered. Oh yeah, I would imagine we will definitely get to that one today. Yuri Perez, Pete Rose, silvers. We have another white, number 149, Tyler Gentry for the Royals. Jordan Lawler, silver, Brooks Lee, relic for the Twins. Pat Gillick. Ricky Henderson, white. The white flies out, number 149. Jim Rice, silver. Henry Davis. Brooks Robinson, silver. Grayson Rodriguez, nice. Rookie jersey auto for Brago and the O's. It's been a very nice break so far. Tricolor Brennan Davis, Enfuego, Harry Ford. Duke Schneider tie-dye. For the Dodgers, truck driver to go with the Bobby Miller auto. You get a Duke Schneider, number 25 tie-dye. Silver of Don Sutton, Jackson Jobe. Rookie jersey auto, more like a prospect jersey auto, but still a solid name right there for the Tigers. Honky. Jordan Lawler, tricolor. And an Evan Carter, he's hot right now. For the Rangers, nice to see his ink. Goose Gossage, Scope. Yuri Perez, tricolor. Some nice Yuris. Gavin Williams, rookie jersey. For the Guardians, tricolor of Al Kaline. Whitey Ford, silver. Lou Boudreau, Scope. We have a gold. Gold to 10. Rick Farrell, white, number 149. Gold to 10 is Ralph Kiner for the Pirates. Team color gold, Ralph Kiner. Daniel M. The gold is very nice. That is number 2 of 10. Enfuego of Yoshida. Number 99, Jace Young, another one for the Tigers. Jackson Jobe and Jace Young. JJ. Daniel Susac, white. I guess you get 2 whites per box. This honestly is exceeding my expectations. And then we get a Jim Rice autograph. It's basically just a mix of good legends and good prospects. It's interesting, but it hits. Jeff P gets a Jim Rice. Mason Hour, silver. Ricky Henderson, silver. George Brett, silver. And a Mariano Rivera to end it. A Mariano Rivera for the Yankees. Jersey to 49 to end it. Let's run that back real quick.
You just come in here incognito?
Yeah.
Nobody even knows you're here.
Yeah, I have strep throat.
You just come in here and that's it.
I don't want to see anyone or touch anyone. I don't
Oh.
want to infest anyone.
You sick?
Yeah, I have strep.
Oh, I'm out of here.
Jace Young. Jackson Job.
I got that Philly flu.
Yeah,
They're all infested.
I
They're
probably
all
did get it
parasites,
from
all
there. Grayson Rodriguez. Andre Dawson. Jim Rice. Ralph Kiner Gold. Duke Snyder tie-dye. Willie McCovey Pinwheels. Bobby Miller Redemption. And the Jordan Walker Scope. It's a fun little break.